Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today marks the day of the new racing season. Finally got our quads back from the powder coaters. I'm about to show y'all what they look like in just a moment. Out here walking the track right now. I'm gonna get the racing started. I got the kids out here. I'm having a good time so far. Got our own flag stand set up and everything. But yeah, it's time to get rolling. Let's do it. All right, we got John here, aka Fat Boy Racing. John, tell us about your quad, man.
What's up, guys? All right, got a just a little 3.5 horsepower Zenoa here. Got a sick torque pipe. Got my got some new Mr. Feel Goods on here. Got that fresh powder coat. We gonna see what we got. We're running a Black Magic 750 spindle, so we'll see what she'll do. Let it eat.
That's what's up. What are your expectations for the race season this year?
You always expect to go #1, but you know, we'll see. We'll see how things go.
So I heard there were some rumors that you're an aggressive driver. Are you planning on putting the bumper on anybody this year?
If need be, we will have to address it later. So, you know, whatever you got to do to get to the first, right?
Yeah. All right.
All right,
man. Best of luck this year.
Have a good one. Be good.
Boom. All right, we got Chris over here. Got his quad, the teal quad, aka probably the best looking one. Well, at least that's what he thinks.
Well, I go slow, but I look good. So
yeah.
Anyway, I got the double dualies on here to try to get my my fat. Are we allowed to cuss on the thing?
Go for it.
Okay. To get my fat ass around here, and so got the new chrome Azusa spindle or steering wheel. Sorry. Got the G290 3.5 with a uni filter, 88 manifold. Got the sick torque pipe with a silencer because I don't want to go deaf. And I got me a I got the all solid rims on it, you know.
Got a bit of wheels.
She's she's pretty smooth. It's pretty fun.
What's your expectations for the race this year?
Not finish last.
Not finish last?
Yeah, not finish last.
Yeah.
So, anyway, gonna go ride.
All right. What's up, guys? I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my quad. Red quad here. Just got it recently powder coated. Man, I'm not sure really what to say about it. Not too much going on with it. Had a little bit of motor issues before the season started. I had a motor lock up on me, so I got a new motor coming. Right now it's just a 3 horsepower Zenoa. Running a 750 Black Magic spindle and a sick pipe with the end bleed on it.
All right. And your expectations for the year is?
Just gonna drive like I stole it, man. You really don't know what's gonna happen sometimes, but I'm confident in my abilities. I think I'm gonna bring it home first. got 3 races in today.
Fat boy got him one.
You got yourself a W in a close race there. How'd you feel about that?
Oh man, that's the most exhilarating race that we have been in since last year. Of course, first race of the year. Everybody's, you know, everybody's excited. Adrenaline's pumping, so felt good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Felt
So
good.
we'll
It felt
see,
good to get on the scoreboard, huh?
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, man.
Got
Well,
one
good.
in the books.
Good job. Any sponsors you want to thank?
These nuts.
None at this moment.
No,
Looking for one though.
Looking, all right. So Fat Boy Racing needs a sponsor. Good job today, man.
All right.
Race interviews here. I'm here with Chris Harris. Chris, how do you feel you performed today?
Well, I mean, it was hot, it was fast. Got me one. Felt competitive.
Yeah. I understand you had some handling issues there. You just battled through them.
Yeah, I'm not sure what I need to do with my hands.
All right, well, you heard it from him. That's Chris Harris. Good job today, Chris.
All right, we got Kevin Harris here, latest winner of the set of 3 races we did. Kevin, how did it go for you?
Well, first race didn't quite get the result I wanted, but you know, I felt like it was a strong performance. Felt like we had a lot of speed today, even though we're kind of down on size of our engine compared to everybody else, compared to the competition. But second race, oh man, I was right there with Fat Boy Racing. Felt like it was a good race. That's gonna be one for the highlight reel, is all I got to say. And then the last race, man, I made all business on that one. Sorry for hurting anybody's feelings, but I just had to go. But yeah, you know, no sponsors I want to thank. But if you're out there, you want to sponsor GoQuad, you know, I'm all for it. I'm gonna put your sponsor in the wind. You know, I'm gonna be out front. Gonna get a lot of camera time. So holla at me. But other than that, man, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, that is Kevin Harris.
He didn't break nothing.
Back off, John. Cross him over. Back off, John. Cross him over. Cross him over right here, John.